Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon X and Y on your iPhone. First, understand that these games were designed for a different console, so direct installation is not an option. We will be using an emulator, which is a program that mimics the original hardware. This process involves a few key steps, including finding the right emulator and obtaining the game files. Let's get started with the first crucial step. To begin, you'll need to choose a suitable Nintendo 3DS emulator for your iPhone. There are several options available, but it's important to pick one known for its stability and compatibility with recent iOS versions, such as iOS 15 or 16. Research user reviews and check for frequent updates to ensure the best performance. A good emulator will provide a smooth gaming experience with minimal glitches, allowing you to fully enjoy your adventure. Next, you'll need to obtain the game files, commonly known as ROMs, for Pokémon X or Y. These files are digital copies of the game cartridge. Make sure the ROM is in a format compatible with your chosen emulator, typically a 3DS file. Once acquired, you will need to transfer this file to your iPhone. This can often be done through cloud storage services or by connecting your device to a computer. With the emulator installed and your game ROM ready, it's time to set up and play. Open the emulator application on your iPhone. Navigate through its menu to find the option to load a game, then select your Pokémon X or Y ROM file. You might need to adjust control mappings or screen orientation for comfort. After these quick adjustments, you are all set to embark on your journey through the Kalos region, catching and battling Pokémon.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.